Let's explore the amazing world of wild and farm animals in this fun and educational video for kids. Children will learn the names of different animals that live in the jungle and on the farm, making it a perfect way to enjoy learning while watching. Lambs are baby sheep. A lamb is what we call a young sheep, usually under 1 year old. They're soft, fluffy, and super cute. They love staying close to their mothers. Lambs follow their mothers everywhere and often call out with little baa sounds when they want attention or milk. Lambs are very playful. They love to run, hop, and bounce in the fields, especially with other lambs. It's called pronking or gambling. Lambs stand up and start walking within minutes of being born. They're strong and active from the very beginning. Sheep are famous for their thick, fluffy wool, which is used to make clothes, blankets, and yarn. They get a haircut called shearing once a year. Sheep make a sound called baa to talk to each other. Lambs can even recognize their mother's voice by her special baa. Sheep eat grass, leaves, and plants. They graze in fields all day, munching on their favorite greens. People often say, "Count sheep to fall asleep," because watching them gently move or imagining them jumping can be calming. Just like cows, sheep have 4 stomach compartments to help them digest tough plants and grasses. Rhinos are large, thick-skinned herbivores known for their horns and prehistoric appearance. Rhinos live in 5 countries in Africa and parts of India, Nepal, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rhino horns are not bone. They're made of the same protein as human fingernails and hair. Rhinos can recognize each other by smell and sound, and mothers form strong bonds with their calves. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Some tigers can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, and no 2 tigers have the same pattern. Their stripes are like fingerprints. Tigers are quiet and patient. They sneak up on their prey and pounce at the perfect moment. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. They roar to warn others or to find a mate. Tigers mostly hunt at night. Their sharp eyesight helps them see clearly in the dark. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. Goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Horses have been one of the most important helpers on farms for hundreds of years. Before modern machines, farmers used horses to pull plows, wagons, and heavy carts. They are strong, fast, and can work for many hours without getting tired quickly. Horses also help by carrying people across large farm areas. They eat grass, hay, and sometimes oats to keep their energy high. On some farms, horses are still used for riding, light work, or even sports. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Their skin can get sunburned, so water helps protect them. Hippos have huge mouths that can open up to 150 degrees wide. They also have big teeth that can grow over 1 foot long. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. A single cow can give up to 25-30 liters of milk a day. Cows are gentle animals with big bodies, soft eyes, and a calm nature. They love relaxing and grazing in the fields. Cows are intelligent and social animals. They have best friends in the herd and get sad when separated. Cows moo to talk to each other. They have different sounds for calling their calves, showing hunger, or saying hello. Cows are very helpful on farms. They give us milk. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Snow leopard is a big cat found in the mountains of Central and South Asia. Snow leopard is known as the ghost of the mountains because it is shy and rarely seen. Snow leopard is covered in thick, soft fur to survive in cold mountain climates. Snow leopard is equipped with a long, thick tail used for balance and warmth. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Great job, friends! You learned the names of so many wild and farm animals today. Keep watching and learning with us for more fun adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal learning videos. See you next time.